We can make beautiful dentures, we can make beautiful overdentures, we can make beautiful fixed bridges. If the patient's budget is such that we need to either replace a denture with a better fitting denture, we can certainly do that. But a denture is a denture. You're gonna have about 20% chewing efficiency. Denture's like a wig, it's gonna look nice, but there's some things you can't do. Some people are blessed with abundant bone, and let's say an upper denture works fine for them. We'll certainly discuss the option, but if they're doing fine, they're doing fine. And then we'll do whatever we need to do to the lower arch to complete their rehab. Overdentures have served us well. They certainly improve the function. Depending on the number of implants, you can get up to 80 to 90% chewing efficiency. You still have the occasion where things can get under it. You got to excuse yourself. But if you've been a denture cripple and can't wear a lower denture, and I get a bar overdenture and it snaps in and you can eat pretty much whatever you want, I've done you a great service. We assume the goal for everyone would be, and their desire is to have teeth that don't come in and out. That's closest to reproducing nature that we can get. It's 100% stable, no restrictions on diet whatsoever. Again, it's all done in-house, and we've gotten the cost down to the point where really it's almost cheaper for us as far as overhead to deliver a fixed bridge than it would be to use an outside lab to mill a bar and then process an overdenture with the attachments in it. If you're looking for this type of cosmetic rehabilitative services, and the idea of coming to one place and having all these procedures done in a fast, expedient manner, if that appeals to you, then this is definitely the place you need to be. Call our office, visit our website, watch videos, download the links, and get in touch with us. Get your questions answered, and see what we can offer you.